Hey guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another video, and today I'm just going to be unboxing the new iPhone 14 Pro Max in the new deep purple colorway. I got this in the 256. I kind of just stuck with exactly what I had. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. I'm sure there's going to be tons of videos on unboxings of these, so I'm just going to do a quick one just to get it going. Doesn't really look too purple. In the light, it kind of looks a little bit purple, but then like when it gets out of the light, it looks more like a gray. Overall, everything looks pretty much the same. There's no SIM card slot anymore, so everything's gonna be eSIM. While this is getting turned on, let's see what else we got. We got a Lightning to USB-C, and just like the sticker. And it says you no longer need a physical SIM, so that's for the eSIM. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It has a new pill up there. It says get started, and you have the option to do quick start. So looks pretty good. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. Every year I just do the upgrade on it. I just paid $200 fee to pay off the phone and then trade it in. So wanted to get this new purple. Hey, but that is going to be it. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time.